Be So Baby yarn is my number 3 DK weight 100% milk fiber yarn that comes in 60 gorgeous colors. While 60 colors can be quite intimidating, I've put together 28 gorgeous nature-inspired 5-color yarn kits for you to choose from. Each kit includes the 5 balls of yarn plus a laundry bag and a mesh double pocket zip project bag. Retail value $25.43, on sale for only $19.99. You can use these gorgeous colors in these yarn kits for any knit or crochet project you like, but these 3 projects here can be made with only 1 yarn kit. All of these links can be found in the video description below. And now, without further delay, let's look at all 28 color palettes. Color palette Beach number 1 features Be So Baby yarn in colors turquoise, peacock teal, sandcastle, salmon, and blush pink. Color palette Beach number 2 features Be So Baby yarn in colors silver lavender, ecru, platinum, stone, and snowflake. Color palette Beach number 3 features Be So Baby yarn in colors silver lavender, orchid, aquamarine, splash, and indigo. Color palette Beach number 4 features Be So Baby yarn in colors peacock teal, dark sage, gold, lime green, and grass green. Color palette Beach number 5 features Be So Baby yarn in colors navy, indigo, splash, aquamarine, and snowflake. Color palette Beach number 6 features Be So Baby yarn in colors aquamarine, turquoise, robin egg blue, snowflake, and silver lavender. Color palette Bird number 1 features Be So Baby yarn in colors peacock teal, splash, robin egg blue, peach, and coral. Color palette Fruit number 1 features Be So Baby yarn in colors princess, burgundy, cherry, salmon, and gold. Color palette Fruit number 2 features Be So Baby yarn in colors bubblegum, princess, lilac, mint, and prince. Color palette Landscape number 1 features Be So Baby yarn in colors eggplant, violet, peach, coral, and burgundy. Color palette Landscape number 2 features Be So Baby yarn in colors marigold, chocolate, gold, tangerine, and burgundy. Color palette Landscape number 3 features Be So Baby yarn in colors lime, grass, olive, forest, and chocolate. Color palette Landscape number 4 features Be So Baby yarn in colors periwinkle, navy, violet, prince, and indigo. Color palette Landscape number 5 features Be So Baby yarn in colors silver lavender, platinum, dark sage, olive green, and forest green. Color palette Landscape number 6 features Be So Baby yarn in colors blush pink, salmon, coral, peacock, and forest green. Color palette Landscape number 7 features Be So Baby yarn in colors platinum, silver lavender, snowflake, ecru, and stone. Color palette Floral number 1 features Be So Baby yarn in colors snowflake, gold, robin egg blue, platinum, and black. Color palette Floral number 2 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Peacock Teal, Splash, Silver Lavender, Salmon, and Watermelon. Color palette Floral number 3 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Bubblegum, Peach, Buttercup, Turquoise, and Jade Green. Color palette Floral number 4 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Coral, Cherry, Burgundy, Jade Green, Forest Green, and Chocolate. Color palette Floral number 5 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Eggplant, Watermelon, Bubblegum, Lilac, and Violet. Color palette Floral number 6 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Cherry, Peach, Mint, Grass Green, and Black. Color palette Floral number 7 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Aquamarine, Robin Egg Blue, Snowflake, Silver Lavender, and Platinum. Color palette Floral number 8 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Navy, Indigo, Sunshine Yellow, Lime Green, and Snowflake. Color palette Reef number 1 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Chocolate, Ecru, Peacock Teal, Turquoise, and Aquamarine. Color palette Reef number 2 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Splash, Turquoise, Coral, Peach, and Sunshine Yellow. Color palette Reef number 3 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Lilac, Sugar Plum, Indigo, Sunshine Yellow, and Lime Green. Color palette Tiles number 1 features Be So Baby yarn in colors Turquoise, Gold, Salmon, Prince, and Indigo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them for me in the comments. Everything we talked about today, you can find as links in the video description below. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.